Hey guys, today I'll show you how to fix duplicate bank transactions in Xero. So let's get started. First, log into your Xero account and open the organization you want to work with. Go to Accounting, then select Bank Accounts and choose the bank account where you're seeing duplicate transactions. Now, review the transactions carefully and look for entries with the same date, amount, description, or reference. Make sure they're actually duplicates before making any changes. If the same transaction appears twice because it was imported more than once, select the duplicate entry and remove it. Be careful not to delete the legitimate transaction. If a duplicate transaction has already been reconciled, open it and use Remove and Redo if that option is available. This will undo the reconciliation and allow you to correct the transaction. After removing the duplicate, return to the bank reconciliation screen and make sure the remaining transaction matches the correct bank statement line. You should also check whether the duplicate came from a bank feed, manual entry, or imported statement. Identifying the source can help prevent the same issue from happening again. Finally, compare your Xero bank balance with your actual bank statement to make sure everything is correct. And that's how you can fix duplicate bank transactions in Xero. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.